So this is kind of important, especially if you're looking at personal finance, right? So in today's conversation, I want to do an in-depth review of the current card app and checking account. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another edition of the Awesome Sort Kiwi Show. How are you today? I hope you're all doing fantastic. I'm doing marvelous if you were to ask me. If you are doing as great as I am, go grab a cup of coffee or tea or vodka and let's roll. In today's conversation, I want to do an in-depth review of the current card app and checking account. The whole thing here is that teaching your teens about money management is more interesting when it's really done the proper way, right? But it is impractical to follow your teen around everywhere they go so you can monitor their spending. Instead, you can use a checking account app like the one from Current. As a matter of fact, adults also can use the Current app. And this is an app that has plenty of parental controls to limit and monitor your teen's spending. But that's not all. What we found is that the Current app and checking account review have more interesting features for parents and adults alike. And you have a 2-day direct deposits, for example. The Current app will also refund some deposits to you within a specific time frame. And so the quick summary here, and I want you to pay attention. I want you to look at the screen right now. The current details. What are the details of the current offer? So you have the check-in, minimum deposit $0, personal accounts 0 to in terms of fees, they will charge you up to $4.95 a month, and for teen banking, that's $36 per year per teen, and that's about $3 a month. And in terms of the current runs promotions all the time, so you have occasionally 30-day free trial of teen banking. And what about, let's just talk about Current at a glance. So Current is, when you think about Current, you don't really have an actual bank. It's not actually a bank, but instead it's a fintech that helps parents and children make smart money choices. So fintech means financial technology company. And Current also provides various benefits through its checking accounts. And the CEO of Current is the very vibrant guy, very smart dude called Stuart Sopp. And Current was actually founded in June 2015, and they're currently based in the greater New York area. And this is a company that is constantly growing. As a matter of fact, they have raised $220 million in funding up to a Series D round, so that's pretty cool. And they have some notable investors and partners, including the popular YouTuber Mr. Beast. And the debit card called the Current White Prepaid Visa card provided by Current is actually issued through the Metropolitan Commercial Bank, member of DIC. And the premium Current card is issued by Choice Financial Group, member of DIC also. So after having an overview of Current, let's talk about the services offered. Current offers checking accounts with a faster availability of your paycheck, removal of gas station holds, and great money management for teens. For now, these accounts are mobile only, very important to remember. So not only are there no local branches available to visit, but there is no desktop account access or management offered either. So as of the date of this show, account accessibility is only offered through one of the Current mobile apps. Okay, so this is very important. Everything is, all the transactions are handled electronically. And Current also does not pay any interest on its checking accounts. So the features mentioned in the 3 plans outlined on the screen right now will need to be attractive enough so you would want to use Current for your checking despite no interest earnings. So let's just look at the screen right now. And there are three main plans. So you have personal checking accounts. So teen banking. Let me first talk about the personal checking accounts. You can see on the screen right now the comparative table between basic, free, and the premium that will cost you $4.99 per month. So basic, no overdraft or hidden fees, no minimum balance, free cash withdrawals, tools for money management, mobile check deposit. You can send money instantly for free. You have one savings spot and 24/7 member support. I will explain the whole concept of savings spot very shortly. And for the premium, you have everything included in the basic plan, plus faster direct deposit up to 2 days earlier, gas holds instantly refunded, 3 saving spots, free overdraft up to $100, and you can earn points for unlimited cashback. The free plan isn't incredibly compelling. Based on our analysis, it's not really that compelling. In fact, you could be better off with a free online bank account that might pay a little interest. Once you get into the $4.99 per month premium plan, it's still a tough sell, but for the right person, features in the premium may be well worth it. The most compelling features in our analysis are the faster direct deposit and gas hold refunds. And faster deposit means money deposited from your paycheck should be available up to 2 days faster than the average direct deposit. Also, the free overdraft up to $100 when you have a qualifying direct deposit can be very helpful, right? And unlike other banks, Current ignores the date that employers intend for your paycheck funds to be released. Instead, it credits your accounts moments after receiving it. This is a common feature of prepaid debit cards. And then we have the teen banking. So the teen plan is designed with parental supervision and money management in mind. And it's actually a great way to help teach your teen about using money. So the parental features include cashless convenience, instant transfer to your teen's card, notifications for all purchases, ability to block specific merchants. This is pretty cool. Ability to send spending patterns. You can set chores to complete. You can automate allowance payments, and you can multiply family members. You can multiple family members can add funds. This is pretty cool. And what we've seen is that the teen plan, however, does not include any saving spots. Again, I will explain the saving spots concept later on, but those plans come with a 30-day free trial, after which an annual subscription of $36 per year per teen will be charged on the account. I'll be right back right after this. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another section of the Awesome Studio Kiwi Show. We are still having we're doing an in-depth review of the current card app and checking account. I was speaking to you earlier about the whole concept of savings spots. What is it really when we speak about current business model? A savings spot is like a savings account, but without the interest. It is meant to simply section off funds for a specific savings goal. So you can label each pot and money can be deposited, moved into a pot directly from your checking account, direct deposit, or through rounds up to the nearest dollar from your card. Okay, and then you have rewards. Recently, Current announced the launch of a rewards program for all its members, teens and adults. So now account holders can earn up to 15 points on the money they spend at more than 14,000 retailers, including popular names like Subway, Rite Aid, True Value, and Cold Stone Creamery. And points are credited instantly after purchase and can be redeemed at 100 points per dollar inside the Current app. This is pretty cool. And Current actually estimates that its members will earn $165 in cashback per year by just using their card at gas stations alone. Right? Very interesting. And Current also says that new offers will be added regularly and can be found on its app. You do have transaction limits when using the Current card app and checking account. So Current accounts do have a few limits worth noting. This include $500 daily maximum in ATM withdrawals, $2,000 daily maximum in card purchases, and $5,000 maximum transaction amount for peer-to-peer payments through Current Pay. And you also have the mobile app. This is central to the whole Current offer. And Current accounts are managed through its mobile app. And the mobile app is available, of course, for Android and iOS devices. And you just have to go to the Current websites to download the app. And based on the last time we checked, as of the date of this show, the Current app is rated a 4.7 out of 5 from 36,000 people. And that's on iOS. And on Android, the app is rated 4.4 out of 5 from about 19,000 people. This is pretty. This is decent. This is more than decent. This is good. Let's now talk about the benefits of the Current card app and checking accounts. So there are gazillions of benefits. So you can get paid faster. So after 2 days with direct deposit, And the current will deliver paychecks up to 2 days faster than traditional banks when you sign up for direct deposit. There are plenty of things in life worth waiting for, that's for sure, right? So it's kind of cool to actually get your cash as soon as possible. You also have free overdraft. So up to $100 with overdraft. You can overdraft up to $100 for free with overdraft when you sign up for a current premium account. You got to sign up for a premium account, and you need to receive a qualifying direct deposit. And there are no hidden fees on minimum balance. This is pretty cool. And there are no hidden fees, no overdraft fees, no minimum balance fees, and no fees when you transfer money with your current. And you just have the flexibility here. You can earn points, and get cash back. So you can get up to 15x points when you swap your card, and you can those points can actually be redeemed for cash in your current account. And if you go to your current app, you can find all offers near you on the map. And you can withdraw cash worldwide for free at more than 55,000 free ATMs. So current personal checking accounts members can withdraw money for free. And the cool thing here is that you have instant gas hold refunds. Okay, so the funds are immediately credited to your account. So this is pretty cool. And money management, this is another benefit that we found in the current card app and checking accounts. You have instant spending notifications, insights, and more. So you're able to get insights from spending insights from the current app, budgeting tools, saving spots, and more. And speaking of saving spots, you can automatically transfer. You can actually automatically put aside money for specific purchases. This is pretty cool. And you can create savings goals using the pods. You can also enable roundups that move a little money to your pods every time you swap your card. And you have a cash deposits. This is pretty good. You can deposit cash instantly at 60,000 stores. This is good. So members can find all cash deposits location on a map near them in real time and generate a barcode for the cashier to scan directly from the current app. You have mobile check deposits. So you can deposit checks easily using your phone's camera. This is really good, right? And you also have the current pay, so you can instantly send or receive money for free. And you have 24/7 member support. Let's talk about the fees when it comes to the current card app and checking account. The premium plan costs $499 a month, as I said, and the teen plan is $36 per year per teen. And what about the account opening process? Now, everything happens on mobile. All right. This means that you can only open an account through one of Current's mobile apps. You can download the app from the iOS or Android App Store, or you can text yourself a download link from the Current site. What about customer service? What we've seen with the customer service at Current is that everything again is handled digitally, aka via mobile. You can't call them. You can call them, but you will get a faster response if you reach out to them directly via mobile. So what you have to do, you go to the website, or you go to the website, you submit a request. You have to fill in all your info, all the fundamental data about the situation you are trying to talk about, and you submit the request. And so that's one option. The second option is you can chat in the app. So actually, current chat agents are available to assist you 24/7. So there is a chat feature within the app, and if you just chat within the app, you get a faster response. And or if you want to talk to someone, you can call 1-888-851-1172. The number again is we're going to put this on the screen right now. It's 1-888-851-1172, and you can call that number weekdays from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern. And this is a toll-free number, of course, so no charges here. And so what about fund safety? Because a lot of people have been worried about the safety of their funds with the current on the current card app and checking account. The funds are safe. Don't worry about it. The funds are safe. The deposited funds are covered by the FDIC insurance up to $250,000 through Current's issuing bank, Choice Financial Group. So I spoke to you earlier about Choice Financial Group. This is this institution is a member of the FDIC. So your money is covered up to $250,000 through current. So the bottom line here is current worth it? Current, as I've said before, is a mobile-only checking account and debit card that offers faster direct deposits, gas hold refunds, parental controls, and more. So current, in our view, is definitely worth it, given that it offers way more benefits than the few drawbacks the service has. If faster direct deposits is a need that you have and are willing to pay about $5 per month for it, then current could be worth it. And if gas station holds noticeably affect you, then premium again may be worth considering. Given that so many financial institutions offer methods for parents to control their children's spending, parental spending features may not offer much of a selling point, really. In other words, current doesn't have a competitive edge on that front. But if your financial institution doesn't have anything like that, current's teen plan for $36 a year could definitely be worth it. It's important to point, however, folks, that other banks, especially online banks, are able to match many of current's checking account features while also offering savings accounts and other products. Okay, so this is something you have to be aware of. And so we're showing you right now the current features that you have to keep in mind before making a choice, making a decision about whether or not current is for you. So minimum deposit, no minimum balance. The API for the checking account, nothing. Maintenance fees on the personal account, the bank side, 0. Well, premium, if you have a basic account, there's no maintenance fee. If you have a premium account, it's $5 a month and $36 a year per teen for teen banking. So I'm just showing you right now, just kind of recap of the current features you need to be thinking about as you are considering whether or not you should go with current. So our overall score for current is 8.5 over 10. And what are the pros and cons here? Pros, you have direct deposit up to 2 days faster, instant refunds on gas holds, teen banking with parental controls, no overdraft or hidden fees. What about the cons here? Premium and teen banking both charge service fees, mobile only, right? So there are no local branches and no desktop account access features, and there is no interest paid on deposits. If those pros and cons ring a bell or sounds like music to your ear, then I would say definitely consider current card, the current card app and the checking account. Thank you so much for your attention, folks. This is the end of today's conversation. I was talking to you today about the current card app and checking account in terms of we were actually reviewing this service. I spoke to you about the services offered, the benefits, the fees, the account opening process, the customer service, the fund safety. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. I will see you next time. But until then, remember, stay marvelous.